Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be making this video and heading out on the next 4 days. I'm going to Belfast, Ireland tonight, and I'm really excited meeting up with a couple of my friends who are already in Scotland. So I won't be going there, but I'm just going straight to Ireland, and I'm really pumped for it. I mean, I don't have any business right now taking this kind of trip, but I was like, life is short and why not? So I brought my bag and stuff with me to work today, and I'm gonna leave probably in 2 hours and head over to the airport, and I have an overnight flight. We make a really brief stop in London, and then I'll meet up with my friends in Belfast. Hey guys, filming a fashion update. I am at the airport pretty early. I normally don't get to the airport this early, and it just happened where everything was super quick. Like my check-in line, I was like the first, like I just walked up and somebody helped me, and somebody really nice too who actually, shout out to British Airways, checked my bag for free. So that was really cool. Security was super fast. The lady checking my passport told me to stay cute. So that happened. I just like got off the phone with my mom, caught up with her a little bit, and had some dinner at Wendy's. But yeah, I think they'll probably start boarding us in an hour or so, and I have a really quick layover in London, like 1 hour to get to my connecting flight to Belfast. And yeah, super excited. I brought with me too my allergy medication because it makes me really tired, so I just want to make sure that I'm asleep like all throughout the night, which shouldn't be a problem. I just got 100% pranked at the airport by this literal sticker on the wall. I tried to plug my phone in. Look who I just found in Ireland. Hi. How are you guys feeling?
Good, actually. I feel rejuvenated after that flight. I took a deep nap.
Okay.
We slept in the airport, and I think that people don't do that here. Straight up on the floor. We looked, and people were like,
did you really?
But I'm like, we don't care, we're tired.
I have never.
Oh my god.
Wow, guys, we just got to our Airbnb, and it's actually so cute. Look at this view, and I'm loving the decor. Oh, kitchen.
Cute, boo. This is cute.
We heard there was a friendly pigeon who will come visit sometimes on this ledge.
Yes. Wow.
I hope he makes an appearance. So cool.
This is somewhere that we were. Sure.
Okay, let's see it.
I bought this in Ireland, no, Scotland, and I bought one for a friend. I almost bought a ton and just started giving them out as
They
gifts.
gave me a magnet, thank God. That'll be going on my fridge.
Yes.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, this is some good light. It's Sunday morning. Recap of last night because I didn't make an update. Yeah, we had like a dinner, finish it up with our tour guide Marty, and then we went to the live goat.
The Thirsty Goat. The Thirsty Goat live.
Yeah, there we go.
Which was, I thought was so fun.
It was just a lot.
It was just a whole bunch of interesting.
Yeah, it was just so crowded. It was really
Yeah.
interesting though to see
Super
like
Irish.
what the youth are like here. But yeah, we're gonna go explore today. We're gonna go to church. Any other thoughts? I feel like we slept in. I feel like I slept a really long time.
Well, you deserved it. I mean, that's I know we slept in late. We did this exactly the same way when we first landed in Scotland. So
Made a little coffee this morning and toast at our Airbnb. And actually, the view from this side is a cemetery. So this is where we went to church. Would definitely recommend. Okay, so we just finished church. It was really great. Like if you're in this area looking for a Christian church, would definitely recommend. We had a great time. We're just trying to get another cab. A couple of important things if you've also never traveled here and you're going to. Everybody just calls a cab service because Ubers aren't popular here. And it's Sunday, so the bus only runs like once an hour. So we're calling another cab. Just hydrating, waiting at Tesco's. Kelsey was going to, we were thinking about renting a car.
And I was gonna drive it, but are we doing it? Oh, hello, I'm Bianca.
Yeah, I would say if you're coming here again to like rent a car, because it's really hard to find
Yeah,
a cab or whatever.
I'll be like a cool little Irish
European.
woman.
We love St. George's Market. Great pick. We
got
made
free
it.
tickets.
We're so excited to be here today because we missed our bus. We got on a different tour, and then we just got free tickets to go on the bridge that we didn't think we were gonna get to.
It's so beautiful.
It's crazy.
Yeah, God is so good. For whatever reason, we missed our bus this morning, but it's what was supposed to happen.
Yeah,
And here we are.
here we are. The sun is shining. Let's get this bread. We just took this bus down to the Giant's Causeway. Pro tip, if you ever come here, take the bus. Don't